Okay, hi, good morning everyone. How are you all? Okay, I'm Madam Shanti. I'm sure you still remember me. Okay, I'm here to teach English today. Okay, and how are you all? Okay, we teachers are all back in school. And you know something? We really miss one thing here, that is you all. Missing you all very much and hope to see you all soon. So just pray that the school starts soon and we can see each other and we can have face-to-face class. Okay? Alright, shall we proceed to our lesson today? Okay, what I want to teach you all today is how to answer objective question 1 to 20. Remember, in your pemahaman paper, you have section A, question 1 until 20. You have objective questions including vocabulary, proverbs, grammar, comprehension text. Okay, so I'm sure you still remember the techniques taught to you all. Okay, you have a technique to answer these questions to make sure that you don't make any careless mistake. Okay, the technique that I'm going to use today is elimination method. Okay, now what you do is, first I'll teach you how to answer. Okay, look at question number 1. Shahira scored the marks in her aptitude test. Okay, when you read a question like this, straight away do not go to A, B and C and then circle. Don't answer without thinking. Okay, you have to identify the keywords in the question. Keywords will guide you to the correct answer. Here, Shahira scored the marks in her aptitude test. Okay, the keyword here is the and marks. These two are the keywords. Okay, and look at this keyword, the and marks. So Shahira scored the. If the, can you use more? Okay, you know when you use the, you cannot use more. So you cross out. You eliminate. You take out the distraction. Take out the wrong answer. Okay, next, most. Shahira scored the most marks in her aptitude test. That is the answer, but you have not done the C. Who knows there's a better answer? So you see, Shahira scored the some marks in an aptitude test. Definitely it is wrong because you have the article the. When you have the article the, it must be either the EST superlative or you have at most. So this is wrong. So what is the correct answer? Most. Then you put a tick and you circle B. After you have done this, then only you read the whole sentence again. Shahira scored the most marks in her aptitude test. Okay, it sounds good. The sound here is good. That means it's correct. Then you blacken your mark paper or you shade. Understand? So this is a procedure. You have to underline the keywords. You have to read the question again with all the probable answers there. You cross out the wrong answers. You tick the final correct one. Then you circle. Okay, this is called elimination method. When you do this method, you can avoid careless mistakes and you can save your marks. Do you know that the pemahaman paper is given 1 hour 15 minutes? Okay, and some of you can finish it in 20 minutes because you do not do it in the proper technique. You do not use the proper technique. When you use the proper technique, the time given is just nice. Okay, and you can score and you can save your marks. Okay, let's look at number 2. Okay, she sat the clinic and waited for the doctor. Okay, what is the keyword here? Okay, she sat the clinic. Keyword is sat the clinic. One question can have more than one keyword. You can have 2 keywords because these keywords will guide you towards the answer. Okay, so here, sat in the clinic and waited for the doctor. Okay, definitely you will say that's the answer. So you just put a tick first. This answer is acceptable. You put a tick. Okay? You look to the next one. Doesn't mean you already got the answer. You think E is the correct answer, and then you don't read the other choices. Okay, that is wrong. You have to read every choice given there, and then you decide which is the correct one. So next will be 2. She sat to the clinic and waited for the doctor. Definitely wrong. Does it sound nice? No. English. Okay, English. When you read the sentence, it must sound good to you. Nice. Okay? So this is definitely wrong. You know what? You cannot sit to a clinic. It doesn't happen. Okay. She sat on the clinic. How can you sit on the clinic? This is on. Okay, can you sit on the clinic? On the roof? It doesn't make sense. So it is wrong. You put a cross. The final one. She sat across the clinic and waited for the doctor. So how can you sit across the clinic? You only go across the road, across the bridge. Okay, not across the clinic. So it is wrong. So what is the correct answer? In. That's only correct. The best answer is circle. You see how long you take to answer one question. Okay, you have to use this technique. This is called elimination method. It really helps you to get the correct answer and to avoid careless mistake. Okay, let's move on to question 3.
Move 3 sama.
Okay,
jap. Turn and face. Remember 45 degrees the camera is
from here.
Okay, cut.
Okay. Now, Farhana had booked her flight ticket earlier because it was cheap. So what is the keyword there? Okay, booked her flight ticket. Okay, Farhana had booked her flight ticket earlier because that is a keyword. So you must see an appropriate pronoun for the object flight ticket. So because they were cheap, this is flight ticket. One ticket. One you cannot use they. So it's wrong. Cross out. Flight ticket. She you only use for Farhana. Farhana is not the keyword here. The keyword here is flight ticket. So we is also wrong because Farhana had booked her flight ticket earlier because we was cheap. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, wrong. So the correct answer, Farhana had booked her flight ticket earlier because it was cheap. Flight ticket is an object, so the pronoun you use is it. Okay, it's only one ticket. If many, then you can say they. Here is only one ticket, so it. So this is the correct answer. You circle. Okay. So let's move on to another thing. After you finish answering, you have to read the whole sentence with your correct answer. Okay? And then only you move on to the next question. Do not rush. Please do not rush in answering these questions. When you rush, you will make careless mistake and you will get the answers wrong. Okay? So 1 to 20 is very easy to score full marks if you're careful. Okay? Now, Shafiq dressed up to go for an interview. Okay, dressed up is the keyword here. Interview is another keyword here. How do you dress up when you go for an interview? Okay, do you dress up happily to go for an interview? Nobody is very happy to go for an interview. You're always nervous, you have butterflies in your stomach. Okay, so happily is wrong. Okay, Shafiq dressed up smartly to go for an interview. Do you think that's the correct answer? Let's hold on and see. Shafiq dressed up. So if you're not sure, you just keep in view. Okay. Shafiq dressed up to go for an interview. Dressed up sweetly. How do you dress up sweetly? Okay, you sing sweetly. You don't dress up sweetly. Okay, so it's wrong. Next, Shafiq dressed up bravely to go for an interview. Nobody dressed up bravely. Okay, it doesn't suit here. Okay, so it's wrong. So the best answer is smartly. So you read again. Shafiq dressed up smartly to go for an interview. Correct. So let's circle. Okay. So that is how you do question 1 to 20 in the pemahaman paper. You must use the elimination. Method. Okay, this is called the elimination method. So don't forget. Alright, now let's move on to question 5. The building was damaged recently. Heavy storms. Okay? Damaged, heavy storm. These two are the keywords. Okay? Now let's see. The building was damaged recently because heavy storms. You cannot use because. You must have an off here. An off here. Then only you can use because. If you put the building was damaged recently because heavy storm, it's an incomplete sentence. So it is wrong. Okay? The building was damaged recently although heavy storms. Although you must have opposite reasons. Okay? So here damage, heavy storm is not opposite. Okay? So wrong. The building was damaged recently by heavy storms. From the sound itself, you know it is correct. The sentence is correct. But we have another choice to see here. So you do not answer yet. Okay? The building was damaged recently, so heavy storms. Definitely wrong. Okay? So the answer is by C. Circle. Okay? So we have done 5 examples here using the elimination method. So I hope you can continue the rest. Okay? Now let's move on to other questions.